Just fill this wasp trap with some bait. Hanging it about 4 feet high, the wasps will go crazy. To keep wasp nests away from your house and immediate yard, set traps in the early spring when the queens are looking for nesting sites.
The Hydro Launch Water Rocket is the ultimate gadget for green thumb gardeners and an exciting toy for children who love playing with water during summer. It's the perfect way to combine fun and science, allowing you to explore the principles of water pressure, aerodynamics, and propulsion. With its sturdy design and easy-to-use features, this water rocket is sure to provide hours of entertainment for the whole family. Hey dude, hide your spare key in this fake stone. No more $150 locksmith calls.